Today, I will teach you how to make a DIY face mask. Very cheap price, you'll wonder. But this mask is completely natural. It works extremely well and it is better than any expensive cream. Not only is it affordable, but it is also anti-aging. It tightens your skin, it nourishes your skin, and if you have dark spots, blemishes or old marks on your face, this mask will help lighten them. It gives your skin a fresh, young and healthy look. At the end of the video, I will also share one extra ingredient. If you add this to the mask, it will take your skin to the next level. And because this video is very short, I recommend that you watch it till the end. Now, what will we use to make this face mask? We will use egg white. Yes, egg white. Simply separate the egg white into a bowl, whisk it a little, beat it gently, then apply it to your face using a brush or your fingers. Apply a thin, even layer on your entire face. Now wait for 15 to 20 minutes until it dries completely. It will tighten your skin and give you a young, fresh feeling. This is a simple remedy. But now, we will take this mask to the next level. Do you want to guess the extra ingredient? Let me give you a hint. This ingredient is rich in something that almost every second person is deficient in, vitamin A. When your body lacks vitamin A, your skin becomes rough and dull. And not only vitamin A, this ingredient also contains vitamin D, vitamin E, B vitamins and choline. All of these nutrients work like magic for your skin. If you guessed egg yolk, then your answer is absolutely correct. When you're already applying the egg white, then why not apply the yolk? Egg white tightens the skin and targets wrinkles, but egg yolk provides direct nutrition to your skin, especially vitamin A and the other essential nutrients. After 15 to 20 minutes, wash your face with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry gently with the towel. Use this mask twice a week. The biggest benefit of adding the yolk is that it boosts your skin's healing and regeneration power. And if you want, you can add 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt to the mixture. This supports your skin's microbiome, the good bacteria. But do not use packaged yogurt. Use fresh, plain yogurt only. This is a very affordable but highly effective anti-aging formula. Apply it once or twice a week and not just externally. Include more eggs in your diet as well. You can eat 2, 4, even 6 eggs a day. I personally eat them too. Most females do not meet their daily protein requirement. According to your body weight, you need at least 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. I have seen many females who eat 5 eggs daily without any issue. Eggs are a superfood. They are the best quality protein in the world. You can boil them. If you want to fry them in butter, olive oil or coconut oil. Avoid corn oil or other seed oils. They are harmful for your skin. We will meet you in the next video. Take care of yourself.